Spice up your Halloween party with these eerie and delicious dragon eggs. These deviled eggs with a twist are sure to be the talk of your spooky celebration. Imagine serving your guests eggs that look like they've been plucked from a dragon's nest. The crackled, tea-stained exterior gives them an ancient, mystical appearance, while the creamy filling and zesty salsa base add a burst of flavor that's out of this world. To create these otherworldly treats, you'll need 6 eggs, a quarter cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 8 tea bags for the egg exterior. For the filling, gather a third cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of minced red bell pepper, salt, black pepper, and a cup of salsa. Begin by hard-boiling the eggs. Once cooled, gently crack the shells without peeling them. This is the secret to creating that scaly dragon egg look. Next, simmer the cracked eggs in a mixture of water, soy sauce, molasses, salt, and tea bags. This will infuse the eggs with a rich, dark color. After the eggs have cooled again, peel them carefully to reveal the intricate pattern on their surface. Trim the bottoms so they can stand upright, then slice them in half lengthwise. Mix the yolks with mayonnaise, red bell pepper, salt, and pepper to create a creamy filling. Spoon the filling back into the egg whites, then reassemble the eggs. For a dramatic presentation, pour salsa onto a serving plate and arrange the dragon eggs standing upright in the sauce. These dragon eggs are not only a feast for the eyes, but also for the taste buds. The combination of the tea-infused egg whites, creamy filling, and spicy salsa creates a flavor profile that's truly magical. Serve them at your Halloween gathering, and watch as your guests are enchanted by these mystical morsels. Happy haunting and happy eating!